What is going on, my YouTube friends? Guys, it's hoodie weather. It's a little chilly out here today. Shoot, man. So, me and my dad and my father-in-law, we took a ride up to the Upper Peninsula yesterday, picked up my father-in-law's body to his 26 Ford. I didn't make no video or nothing on it because it's just, old man talk. And on the way there, we loaded it up and old man talk on the way back. So, anyhow, guys, so today I'm starting to clean up the garage and get ready to doing some mass work on the Fairmont. You know what I'm saying? The white 92 GT Mustang's gone. I'm getting rid of the tent, which is not going to be gone today, but we're going to get the garage cleaned up. All the stuff that was from the Mustang is gone, the hood, all this other stuff. So we are going to get ready and start preparing, start getting some serious work done on the Fairmont. You know what I mean? Yeah, buddy. So let me turn this around and see what's going on. Everything, I'm starting to push everything out of the garage so I can start getting it cleaned up. And all this good stuff. So yeah, there's a lot. So the hood was back there leaning against that, and I had the seats over here, and I had parts all over the place. So it's gone, it's moved out, it's gone on its own way. So we're gonna clean her up today, and I'm sure you don't wanna watch me clean. No, so I will bring you back. Yeah, buddy. So I've been working on the garage, and the wife, she ordered some more lights for her garage. So let me show you what we done in her garage. I'm still working on my garage, but she ain't in there helping me with mine. What's up with that, huh? Let's turn this around. This is her little she garage for her Shelby. She garage for the Shelby? Yeah, kind of a tongue twister. So what we did, we ordered these lights from Amazon. They're LEDs, and I got them in the garage, so in my garage. So we figured we'd put some up in here so we'd light up a garage for her. Don't deny that, I still got to run some power to this. We haven't done it yet. So she runs an extension cord out. But hey, it works. Plus these little LEDs don't take much power to run them. But I mean, man, this really brightens it up. So we had 6 lights up. So she's like, I want some more light in my garage. So we ordered 6 more. So we put them in the back spot back here. And this is how we did it. We got, 3 and then 3 and then 3 and then 3 behind me. So we got the 2, we put them down here at the end and butted them together. So this is how what lights up this garage. I mean, it really does a good job lighting it up. Yeah, I know it's her garage, but I got some of my stuff in it too. So yeah, that's what it is. We need to get her a cabinet and put it in here. I told her to take the white one out of the garage. No, I don't want to take that one. I want a new one. But that's fine. Look at that. Oh yeah, buddy. This is definitely her garage, ain't it? But yeah, so anyhow, we put these lights up today for her. Well, these ones right back in the back part of the garage was already in here. So now I got to get some electricity run to the garage here, and we'll probably do that next spring. I'm not in a big rush to do it because she's happy with just turning on her extension cord. So we're gonna get I'll probably put a strip or something right here above the door. Put one of those electrical strips you can plug out, a whole bunch of different outlets in them. I'll probably put one above the door right here for now, and that way she can just run this in here and plug it in. Oh yeah, buddy. So anyhow, that's part of what we've done today. Let me get back over to my garage and we'll show you how we got it pretty much cleaned up. All right, so now we're back here in my garage. Hey, look at there's the rear end. You can almost see it. But anyhow, you see right here, I got the brake line off the old rear end from the Fairmont. It's right here. So I got the brake line, it's perfect. So I think I'm gonna have enough to get these ends and bend them so they go upwards, down and up, so they go into the caliper. So I'm just hoping that it'll screw into the caliper. You know what I mean? The fitting will screw into where the brake line goes into the caliper. If that happens, we're good. But as you can see, I've been working on the garage, getting it straightened up a little bit. Look at table's clear. Ain't seen that tabletop in a while. So I get, I push some of the stuff back there in the back. So we're getting her cleaned up. But this is the white cabinet right there. I told her, I said, take that over there and put this in your she garage. That way you got a cabinet for all your stuff. Yeah, I don't know. I'll do it later. No, I think I'd rather have a new one. So now I got this wall pretty much freed up, so I got to start putting some stuff against here. So I haven't been on this side of the garage yet, guys. I'm still working on this side. But anyhow, you don't want to see me cleaning my garage, so I'm going to end this video here in just a minute. Alrighty then. So anyhow, been working on the garage all day, trying to get it cleaned up and get stuff out of here and put stuff in here. And you know, sometimes we find out we just got too much junk. But I got to clean everything up because I got to get everything situated so that way I can start working on the Fairmont, which I've been working on it. I got a lot of it cleaned. Still got some degreasing to do and stuff like that. So, I mean, the whole thing is that once we get her cleaned out, we'll be good. And we went over and worked on the wifey's garage a little bit. She's getting her, cleaning her car up now. And that's about it. I mean, it's been a beautiful day today. Woke up this morning, I still got my hoodie on. It's kind of a hoodie day. You know, I went for a ride on a bike, so I had to have something on there because it's still a little chilly when you got the wind blowing on you. So yeah, I figured I'd finish this video out by saying, you guys are awesome. Have a great rest of your day, no matter what time of day it is. Take care.